the short composition, that is poster making. Poster making, it's a 4 marks question that you get. In earlier classes also you have done this exercise, so it is nothing new for you. So first of all, let us just know about what is poster all about. The poster, it is a very useful means of making an announcement or appeal. So basically we use posters when we have to make any announcement, we have to make any appeal, any other issue that is of the public interest that it has to be addressed, then we have to use the posters. You must have seen the pamphlets or the leaflets in your newspapers also. People, they open new shops, they just advertise their shops, they launch new products, then only they also introduce their products. So all this information, it is a confined information that is given. It's a kind of a, you can say, the amalgamation of the advertisement as well as the your display advertisement. That is basically, that is the same thing. So poster making, 4 marks question. Let us just know about its layout. First and foremost thing that you have to keep in mind, in poster making you have to keep it very short because the word limit is of 50 words. You cannot exceed the 50 words limit, so you have to keep it very crisp and very short. All the messages should be conveyed, all the information should be conveyed. So if we start with, first of all, you have to give the main heading. Now main heading, it can be any slogan, any catchy slogan related to the product or the issue that you are addressing to. It should be the heading. Afterwards comes the basic information. Now all of you know, in the notice writing also we have done, whenever we discuss about any information regarding any product or any what you say, event, the first and for the name of the event is very important, then time, venue and its a date. That is the mandatory things. This information, it should be there because it consists of your content part and you get evaluated on the basis of that. Please do not miss. If you are writing for any event, if you are writing for any product, if you are writing for any inauguration, please do mention its date, place and venue. Now the next comes, use slogan or jingle. Now jingle is some rhyming words. If you are using some rhyming words, it makes the poster very catchy. You must have seen the advertisements. Now many of the advertisements, they are having the jingles for the small, the rhyming words, which just linger on in our mind for a very long time. It becomes very easy for the audience to connect to that if the thing is very interesting. It should be seen. It is just how you present yourself. That is all matters. How you present yourself, how catchy you become, make it, and afterwards for how long the people should get attracted towards it. If suppose you have pasted a poster somewhere, from a distance also, the audience, the people, they should able to notice that. It should be so catchy, so colorful. You can use the sketch or simple drawings. Now that is another thing, you have to use some sketch, like I will discuss one example also. If you feel like all the people, they cannot draw very neatly, they are not well versed with the drawings, but still you can try some bubbles, some different shapes, some clouds, some the dialogue boxes, so that also makes our poster quite catchy and impressive. Now the next thing comes the last thing that is also very important, that who is sponsoring or who is issuing that poster. You have to mention the name of the issuing authority and the name of the sponsors. If you have got any sponsors for that particular event, then you have to mention the sponsors. If it is some government interest, some government organization is doing any event, or they are just simply they are circulating this poster for some public interest issue, that also you have to mention that issued by this and that. Fine. So let us just recapitulate what you have to do in poster. And another thing that you have to keep in mind, that poster is always kept in a boundary, in a box. You have to draw a very nice neatly boundary around it. It should be all the content you can simply use the complete page of your paper. Whenever you go for the examination or the test that you are giving, use the complete page. Draw the boundary with pencil, that becomes neat also, and it gives a neat look to the poster. So the boundaries you can draw with the pencil, and rest of the things you can use with the pen and pencil mix. Fine, but still it is advisable you should use the pen only. Now next comes, let us have one example. We have here one example. Say no to plastics. You have to format, you have to draw a poster where you have to aware the people about the say no to plastic. Do not use the plastic because it causes the pollution. So first of all, you may draw the box here. You can give the margin also. You can draw the border also very neatly and very beautifully. You can draw the this border. Then give one slogan or the catchy heading, that is say no to plastics, that I have used. You can use any other rhyming words or any other catching slogan if you feel like. Then here I have used don't be drastic, say no to plastic. Now it is called the jingle, the small rhyming words that we are using to convey some message. So don't be drastic, say no to plastic. So this you can draw the plastic bag I have drawn afterwards. What in place of plastic you can use paper bags, jute bags, cloth bags. Fine. And why we should not use a few lines, a few phrases you can write about that. That is non-biodegradable. Its burning causes pollution. So that is the reason. Again, one slogan you can give, let's make our plastic free. And then you have to mention who is the issuing authority. So issue it in public interest by Rotary Club, Karnal. So this was just an example, just to give you the layout, how you are supposed to write the poster. So please keep in mind the layout. Its bifurcation for the correction is 1 plus 2 plus 1. 1 is for the format, 1 is for the issuing authority, and 2 is for your content and the expression. So it is a very simple question. If you make some little extra effort, you can easily score 4 out of 4. Very simple question, and they give you the poster making on very regular, very general topics which you see around you in your daily life also. So whenever you get any leaflet, any poster in your newspaper, so please pay heed to that. Try to keep in mind all the small intricacies that will be helpful to you to draft the poster. So with this we are just winding up. Afterwards you will be getting one assignment where you have to draw 4 posters. I will be sending you in your WhatsApp groups. Complete that in time, and please try to be more creative. The only thing that gives you par excellence in this exercise is your creativity. How much creative you can be. So please be a little more creative in this. Again, simply time, date, venue and event. If you are making the poster for any event, any inauguration, then you have to use a slogan or jingle, any small catchy slogan you can use to make it more attractive. Sketch or simple drawings. Those who are having good drawing skills, they can use their skills in this, and please try to make it more catchy and impressive. See, when the person, it just looks at the first look of the poster, it should be impressive. The person should catch in a moment what you want to convey. So that is a basic concept. And then sponsored and issued. But please do not forget, many of the times students, they make this mistake that they forget to mention the issuing authority. For that your marks are deducted. So please make sure that these are the essentials that you have to mention. Afterwards, rest depends on your creativity, how much creative you can become. Fine. So please do practice it. You are having more examples in your practice book Bravia also. Do consult that. Create more posters. Just turn it to be a very funny activity. Do not take it as a okay, I do not know drawing, how I will do it. Don't do that. Please try some new. Be more creative. Till then, take care of yourself. Stay blessed all of you. Thank you.